Welcome, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the creamy, dreamy world of risotto. Imagine this, perfectly cooked arborio rice, infused with the earthy goodness of fresh mushrooms, the savory depth of shallots, and a whisper of thyme. We'll build layers of flavor, starting with fragrant garlic oil and finishing with a luxurious drizzle of truffle oil. This isn't just about following a recipe. It's about creating an experience. We'll gently toast the rice, gradually adding warm broth to open up its starchy magic, resulting in that signature velvety texture. A generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese at the end brings it all together, creating a dish that's both comforting and sophisticated. It's a culinary hug on a plate, perfect for a cozy evening or impressing guests. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into something truly special. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey. Risotto ingredients: arborio rice, mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, shallots, thyme, garlic oil, truffle oil, salt. Directions: arborio rice is best for risotto. It shouldn't be overcooked. Heat a pot of water, pour in the garlic oil, and cut the mushrooms in our case. Button mushrooms in half and add them. Bring to a boiling temperature and remove the mushrooms. Let the broth cool. Place the frying pan over high heat. Add the truffle oil, mushrooms, and fry until golden brown. Turn the mushrooms over. It's important not to let them release their juices and be overcooked. They should be al dente. Remove our al dente mushrooms from the pan. Finely chop the shallots and add them to a preheated pan with butter. Add the thyme and stir fry. After a few minutes, add the rice. Add a little more butter and stir fry the rice. When the rice turns golden brown, it's time to add the broth, stirring the rice constantly to prevent it from sticking together. Slowly pour in the broth, stirring until it evaporates. And then add it again. It's important to continue stirring the risotto. Then, stop. You can add a little salt to the broth. And squeeze in some lime for a hint of acidity. After about 20 minutes, when the risotto is almost done, add the fried mushrooms and grated Parmesan cheese. Add a little more broth and continue stirring. "30 to 40 minutes and our mushroom risotto is ready. Place it on a plate in a round metal form and garnish with herb leaves. Carefully remove the metal form and it's ready. Enjoy.